Hi friends, welcome to LiteratureNet. In this video, we are going to see about part 1 of important authors and their title. In this video, we'll also know about important fathers, founders and pioneers in English literature. This video will be really useful if you are preparing for any competitive exams like TET, CTET, PGTRB, Polytechnic exam, NET and SET exams. If you find this video useful, give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more videos. Keep supporting. Without any further delay, let's move into the topic. Geoffrey Chaucer. Geoffrey Chaucer is known as the father of English language. Chaucer is also known as the father of English literature. He is also called as the father of English poetry. Chaucer is known as the morning star of Renaissance. Chaucer is the first national poet of England. He is commonly called as the Prince of Plagiarists. William Shakespeare. Shakespeare is called as the Bard of Avon. Shakespeare is also called as the Sweet Swan of Avon. As we all know, he is the father of English drama. Edmund Spenser. Spenser is called as the poet of poets. He is also called as the Prince of Poets. Edmund Spenser is known as the poetic son of Chaucer. Edmund Spenser is commonly called as the second father of English poetry. Spenser is very well known as the poet's poet. Francis Bacon. Bacon is called as the father of English essay. He is also called as the father of inductive method. Francis Bacon is known as the father of empirism. Francis Bacon is known as the founder of scientific methods. Francis Bacon is called as the young Lord Keeper by Queen Elizabeth. William Wordsworth. Wordsworth is known as the founder of Lake School of Poetry. Wordsworth is commonly known as the poet of nature. He is also called as the high priest of nature. John Dryden. Dryden is called as England's first poet laureate. As everyone knows, Dryden is the father of English criticism. He is also called as the father of modern English criticism. John Milton. Milton is called as the Lady of Christ College due to his fair complexion. Milton is also called as the master of grand style in English literature. Thanks for watching. I really hope this video is useful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also share your valuable feedbacks in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Keep supporting and stay tuned for part 2.